dark spot and even skin tone make you feel less comfortable. Don't worry, I get you. Today, I will show you a powerful yet natural recipe using just 3 simple ingredients from your kitchen: turmeric, honey, and lemon juice. Those ingredients have been tested for centuries, and when you combine, they create a natural dark spot remover that help you to achieve the clean and glowing skin that you are looking for. Please stay tuned. But before starting the video, if you know that you haven't subscribed, this is your first time, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Let's start the video. Okay guys, now I have my turmeric here. Turmeric is having long way to go, so you don't need to put too much, maybe 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon. No, just use less amount. Is a long way to take you. So I just bring my small teaspoon to put inside. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon inside. So after putting the teaspoon, the next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be my honey. It's going to be honey that I'm going to add. That one also I added 1 teaspoon. So I'll add the less lemon juice in. Okay my people, now I added my teaspoon of honey. So my next ingredient is going to be lemon juice, that I'm going to add some few drops of lemon juice to mix everything until I get a smoother paste. Please, when you are going to put your lemon juice, just be careful, don't make it too much, because otherwise you will make your face mask make too much watering. Okay, let's check and see the benefit of turmeric. Turmeric knows as natural skin brightness. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that help to reduce acne scars and even prevent breakouts. So if you are using turmeric into your things, you are going to benefit of it. You will get out of the dark spot, your skin is going to glow. I made a turmeric infusing oil before, but if you want me to do the oil of infusing turmeric oil, please leave the comments in the comments below so that I can do it. Before you make your face mask, always make sure to wash your hair, wash your face with water. Please wash your face. While you finish washing, use your cotton pads, which one that you have, just use to wipe your face from the water before apply your face mask. Okay, so let's check and see honey. Honey too is having natural humectants. It's locking in moisture while smoothing the skin. Okay, it also have antibacterial property. So using honey is nourishing your skin and doing what, giving a skin natural glow. So please, when you are going to do it, as I told you guys earlier, don't make it too much, because less of turmeric is having long way to go. This one is just for daily. While you are going to make it, you just make it and apply. When you are about to do it again, you do it. You make a new batch again. This one, to get the benefit of this, try to use it at least how many days, I'll tell you at the end of the video. So but while you are applying it into your face, always make sure to be massaging your scalp, massaging your skin. Make sure you will be massaging your face, not only your face, any part that you know that you have a dark spot. When I say dark spot, like dark, your armpits is dark, like your legs between also there is a dark there. Just remove yourself and put it inside. Make sure you put this mask to those places that you think that is there you are not feeling comfortable. Use it that place. While you are using this face mask, please, if you are using any oil and you know that oil is causing you that problem, you have to stop using it, because while you are going to take a treatment, you need to stop what causing you to get that dark spot. You have to stop using those things and concentrate using this thing to brighten it. Okay, so and everything, consistency is the key. Don't use it one day and you are expecting it to work or to do what you want. One day cannot solve your problem. So let's check and see lemon. Lemon juice is also rich in vitamin C, which is well known as lightening dark spots. It also boosting collagen production. It's gentle, effective the skin, helping to remove the dead cells and reveal freshness, brightness skin. Okay, so using this three ingredients together, I know your skin is going to thank you, and you yourself, the less confident that you were having, you are going to start, people will start asking you that what cream are you using now. You will tell them you are not more using any chemicals. What you are using is natural things. So guys, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. So my people, to get the benefit of this face mask, try to use it at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay, I told you people, I will tell you the ending of the video. For you to get that result, just use it 2 to 3 times in a week is good for you to use it that way. And also, this simple face mask is safe naturally, and also it's very affordable, okay, because it's not something that you can say, oh, it's too much. It's very affordable than the money that you will use and go and buy a lot of chemicals tend to damage your skin. So now I'm going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes and go and take shower. See you guys later. Okay guys, now after you guys can see, I finished taking my shower. I washed my face, but I'm showing to you guys, me myself, I have a dark spot in my face, so I'm working on it. So I want you guys to follow me throughout while I'm trying to remove this dark spot. So now I have my carrot oil also here. That one I'm going to use to moisturize my body, my face. Also, if you are interested, if this video look like the video that you love, please subscribe, like and share it for me. And also, if you are interested, you can check to watch the carrot oil, how I infuse my own body oil from carrot and jasmine oil and Johnson baby oil. Okay, Johnson baby oil, that one I use to infuse this oil. So always make sure when you are doing it, or apply it into your face also. Don't do it that way and go. Just have some, at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes. Just get some a little bit time, massage your face. Okay, your face also need to massage. Make it, pamper your face small, because when you just put the oil like that and go, the wrinkles, the eye lines, you have to be massaging it so that all this place for you to be getting very smooth and smooth skin. That's what we want. Okay, so please try your best to do it in consistency if you are looking for a solution, or if you want the results from this face mask. Okay, so please, what make me love natural things actually is making, you will save money from buying chemicals with expensive money. You just make your simple natural things to use to get the glowing things that you want, whether glowing skin or a healthy hair that you are looking for to grow. But people who doesn't know, they may think that to do things naturally, that one is very expensive. That one is not expensive, because when you are doing something natural, you know what you are using. You see my face, guys, how is it? You see how it's glowing, it's glowing. So guys, please, my daughter now is going to say bye-bye to you people. Please subscribe, like and share for us. I would love to see you guys in our next video. Bye-bye.